Namaste. Why does jealousy arise? It often arises with respect to a person I'm very attached to. When that person shows appreciation or affection to another third person, I start getting very jealous of that person who's receiving the attention. Sri Aurobindo beautifully says in his epic poem Savitri, wherever there is ignorance, there suffering too must come. And jealousy is indeed a very intense kind of suffering. What is the ignorance that causes the suffering? When I'm possessive about a person, I want the person all to myself. I'm ignorant of the fact that each person is a universal agglomerate and belongs to the whole universe. In the Isha Upanishad, there's a beautiful line, Ma gridha kasya svittanam. Why covet wealth that doesn't belong to you? When I covet a person for myself, I'm coveting wealth that actually belongs to God. Because every person belongs to the universe, belongs to God. The whole world, as Isha Upanishad says, Isha Vasyamidam Sarvam. Yat kincha jagatyam jagat, in all the worlds within the worlds, it's only inhabited and belongs to that one divine presence. So if I've understood that an individual belongs to the universe, I'll also understand that the individual will have unique relationships with everything in the universe. So my jealousy comes from the fact that I'm not the most important to the person somebody else is. I'm not the best for the person. But question what this best is. When I was much younger, I was very happy to use the word my best friend. I no longer am. I may have one best friend who's the best to confide in. I may have another best friend who's the best to have fun with. I may have a third best friend who's the best to pursue my hobbies with. They are all best but in unique ways. So each person in relationship with the person you're attached to is uniquely best for the person, including you. So instead of competing with other persons, celebrate the fact that you have the unique place in this person's heart that you do. Then you will understand that it's not the person you're jealous of who's the cause of your misery, but it's your lack of understanding that really is the cause of your misery. It'll remind you again of that line, wherever there is ignorance, there suffering too must come. Namaste.